Hi, welcome back to the channel. Our question wants us to evaluate this expression, leaving the answer in this form. So we'll be looking for P, we'll be looking for Q, and we'll be looking for N. Now the expression says 2 all over 1 plus root 2 minus 2 all over 2 plus root 2. This will be the same thing as, first and foremost, we'll be looking for the LCM. That will be 1 plus root 2 into 2 plus root 2. 1 plus root 2 in this expression, I'll be left with 2 plus root 2. So I'll have 2 now into 2 plus root 2 minus 2. 2 plus root 2 in this expression, I'll be left with 1 plus root 2 into 1 plus root 2. So that will be the same thing as, if I expand the top, 2 times 2 here will be 4 plus 2 root 2 minus 2, that's 2 times 1 now is minus 2, minus 2 root 2. Now let's expand the b's. We'll use 1 first to multiply everything in here, then we'll use root 2 to multiply everything in here. So I have 1 times 2, that's 2, plus root 2, then root 2 to multiply everything in here, that will be plus 2 root 2 and plus root 2 times root 2, obviously that's 2. So at the top, or at the numerator, root 2 plus 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2, that's 0. Then that's the same thing as 4 minus 2, that's 2. And 2 plus 2, that's 4, plus 3 root 2. Now, ordinarily, I can stop here, but the question wants me to leave my expression in this format. It's very, very explicit. So I must look for the conjugate of this surd. That will be, you multiply by 4 minus 3 root 2 all over 4 minus 3 root 2. That's the same thing as 2. Now, let's pick an LCM. 2 at the numerator times 4 here, that's 8. 2 at the numerator times minus 3 here, that's minus 6. That's minus 6 root 2. Now 4 times 4 again, that's 16. And 4 times minus 3 root 2, that's minus 12 root 2. Plus 3 root 2 times 4, that's plus 12 root 2. And plus 3 times minus 3 root 2, that's plus 3 times minus 3, that's minus 9, times root 2 is 2, times 9, that's minus 18. Now, minus 12 root 2 plus 12 root 2 cancels each other. Then this expression is 8 minus 6 root 2 all over 16 minus 18. That's obviously minus 2. But remember, we are taking our expression to this format. So I have a factor of 2 all around. This is 4. This is minus 6. So I can rewrite my expression this time to now look like 2 into 4 minus 6. That's minus 3 now, because I'm taking a factor of 2 out, all over minus 2. 2 here is 1. 2 here is 1. I have minus 1 here. I can open this bracket with my negative. This becomes minus 4 plus 3 root 2. So already now I have my expression in this format. So I can conclude expressly that my P is the same thing as minus 4, my Q is the same thing as 3, and my N is the same thing as 2. With this, I hope you understood how I went about evaluating this surd, and in case you have questions, please do not hesitate to use the comment section. Thank you for staying with us, and see you in our next class.